Hi, welcome back to the Vint Bar, VintNerd, where we are fixing some Atari stuff. In this case, the 6-episode series of the Atari Cocktails glass with awesome recipes for game drinks. In this episode, we're doing Asteroids. We're making Asteroids Atari cocktail drink. And let's see, what do we got everything here, and let's go ahead and get into it. So to make this drink, this one actually, the recipe says mix the ingredients in a chilled glass and serve. Well, I've got the glass with ice, but all this is room temp. You know, I'm not going to refrigerate all these items. We don't need all of them, just a few of them. So I'm going to mix them in the shaker, stir them, and then put them into the iced glass. That should work out pretty good. So the first is 4 ounces of vodka. And if I may mention, after we make the drink, we're going to play Asteroids. And in this case, we're going to play, well, backstory, I used to have a full-size Asteroids machine back mid-80s, early mid-80s. My mom was a little surprised when she got home and found it in the dining room. But hey, you know, you gotta play, you gotta play. So that was then. Now, through the miracle of the internet, I can play an authorized version of Asteroids on the AARP website. So that's what we're going to do, is play it on the iPad at the AARP website, because I qualify for that. I'm just saying that. So we'll do that in a little bit. That was 4 ounces of vodka, if you're playing along at home. Next, we got 3 ounces of whiskey. And what would that be if it weren't Jack Daniels? So let's see, 3 ounces. Let's see, this is 2. And 3, right about there. Ooh, that's definitely, I recognize that. So I've been told. So 3 ounces of Amaretto. Get that open there. And let's see, the Amaretto liqueur, 3 ounces of that. Glug, glug, glug. Ah, the ice is already melting in there. So that'll chill that as it dilutes it. 2 ounces of sour mix. Rosie's. Who knows Rosie's? The grenadine, made Shirley Temples as a kid. Let's see, we want 2 ounces. Ooh, I want more than 2 ounces of that. Well, it's probably just because of the sugar. But let's see, 2 ounces of that. And then Coca-Cola. Well, cola. 3 ounces of cola. I'm partial to Coca-Cola. And since moving to California years ago, I'm actually now partial to Coca-Cola imported from Mexico. This particular one, they actually use, make sure it's on the label here. Where is it? Cane sugar. Instead of high fructose corn syrup or whatever else is in there, this actually uses cane sugar. Sugar's still sugar, right? So, but it just makes it feel better. 3 ounces. Oh, we're going to get fizzy here. There we go. Let's go ahead and get that. Well, I don't have can't put that cap back on. Let's go ahead and just stir that a little bit. And I'm just going to strain that out. Oh, this one ain't green. Oh, that actually looks like Long Island tea or something. So here we go. Atari Asteroids cocktail drink. Okay. Maybe a little more Amaretto for me than for my taste. But that's actually not bad. Definitely one of the better ones. So let's get into playing, I want to say playing AARP. Let's playing Asteroids on the AARP website. For those of you who are old enough, follow along at home. The link will be in the description for it. Okay, I'm set up here with Asteroids on games.aarp.com, and if you're an AARP member and or go to their website, sign up, whatever, you can play this, which is pretty cool. So let's see, click to start. Cool. Okay, left, right, nice. I am playing this on, this happens to be an iPad. Oh, I hit thrust. I clearly cannot talk and play. This is on an iPad Pro, Apple iPad Pro, but it's off a website. So this should work on your desktop computer, your laptop, whatever you got going on. Gameplay's pretty good. Very responsive. I like the graphics. Oh, nice. Oh, I still got it. I got it. I find if you look at me shooting, it pushes back, which is not the original Asteroids, but I like the physics that they added to this. The sounds are pretty classic. It might be different if you compare it to the original arcade, but I think it's close. Oh, got it. Okay, we're gonna be here a while. I know this game. Nope, no, oh. Ah! Oh, it you know, always puts you back on the board with an asteroid coming at you. I tend not to use thrust. Oh, let's try that. Oh! Okay, that was fast. That's like putting a full dresser bike in my hands when I think it's a dirt bike. Okay. Nope. Let's see. Thrust. Gently. It wants to go. Whoa. I definitely recommend this. Nice. Nope, nope, no! I didn't touch the right thing. Game over! Whew. That was pretty good. I like that. Well, cheers. I got the Asteroids. I'm not going to stop laughing. I find this hilarious. The Atari cocktails glass with drink recipes. Yeah, definitely a little bit more Amaretto than for my liking still. But I'm trying to. We've got 6 episodes because there's six recipes. I'm still laughing over this. I'm trying to play the game for the recipe on something different, in a different way at least. And I think this is really cool because at home you could just pull this up right now and play it. That's pretty wild. Nice job. Nice job, AARP. I look forward to more services. So thank you for watching. Check out the other 5 episodes of the Atari Cocktails playlist. And see you on the next one. Ciao.